Hey guys, so I just got my first pair of Jordans for Christmas from my dad. Never had a pair of Jordans, always wanted them. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got here. I got the Jordan 3s, uh, gray cement. They came out just last year, 2024. Super excited. Look at these things. These things are beautiful. Come with a cool elephant print box. They got nice leather on them, really high quality. Like, I just love them. And just a disclaimer, I've been wearing these for about a month or so, or no, man, no, 2 months or so now, a little over 2 months, and just absolutely love them. They go with so many outfits, and they're a great shoe. Like, look at the tumbled leather on there. It looks fantastic. As you're about to see, I'm looking at the bottom of the shoe. It's all dirty because yeah, I've been wearing them, but absolutely love them. Love the Air Jordan on the back. I think it looks so cool. Like these are, I'm obsessed now. Absolutely love these things. Incredible. Look at the Air Jordan elephant print, just pristine. Um, I really like the quality. They are a little heavy than I'm used to. I typically wear on clouds. Never really been much of a sneakerhead, but now I'm hooked. I understand now. These things are badass. Look at that. Look at the tumbling on the leather there. It just looks incredible. Look at that shoe. Beautiful silhouette from the side. Jordan logo nicely stitched, red, really pops. Really pops against the white. Has some nice details, little star details on the sole there. Looks really nice. But yeah, overall this shoe is just amazing. I highly recommend it as just a staple shoe that can go with so many outfits. It's really easy to style. Um, as you can see, it looks great on feet. Absolutely love it. What else can I say about this shoe? It's I loved it so much that I bought another Jordan 3, the black cements, and absolutely love those. And I gotta say, I love the Jordan 3s. The next shoe I want to get is maybe a Jordan 4, but stay tuned on my Jordan journey as we continue this path. Follow me for more, subscribe, comment if you'd like to see more content. Have a good day.